Did you know you can earn real money just by writing simple articles from home without a degree, without even experience, and even from your smartphone or from your tablet, anyone you have? I'm talking about getting paid $100 or more per week just by writing short pieces online, short pieces and short articles online. Although I know I have a lot of writers around here on this platform that will be interested in this particular website that I am about to share with you. Today, I'm breaking down how to start making money with a legit platform. That platform is not your regular platform. The platform is called Textbroker, a website that actually pays people just like you and me to write content for businesses worldwide. If you're a student, job seeker, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a hustle, this might be your easiest way to make money online because this platform is super legit. So guys, welcome back to Self Hustle, and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to make money online with this website called Textbroker, a legit platform where people like you and me get paid to write simple articles from home. Now, this platform accepts individuals from any part of the world, so it doesn't matter whether you're in the UK, in the US, in Nigeria, in South Africa, in Ghana, in Uganda, wherever you are, this website accepts people worldwide. No bluff, no fake promises. In fact, there are nothing like scam or fake zones, fake make money online zones. No, this particular platform is a platform that will help you make money, but it is not a get rich quick scheme. Not at all. Just a real opportunity to earn writing articles on topics like travel, fitness, food, technology, or even sneakers. Whatever article you can write or whatever thing you can write an article on, even if it is your hobby, the favorite things you love doing, this particular website will actually pay you to pin down an original article for them. So technically, this is what the website looks like. It says, with Textbroker, your writing talent pays off. Now, let me give you a brief background of how Textbroker actually came to be. Textbroker has been around since 2005, and it's one of the biggest platforms for freelancers, content writers. Now, if you calculate from 2005 till date, that is more or less like 10 years. So imagine a company that has been online for the past 10 years, standing tall and still functioning. You know that is actually a legit company. They connect businesses who need articles, blog posts, product descriptions, anything, just name it, emails, sales emails, with writers who can deliver them. So this particular website is like a connector for those businesses, either small businesses or big brands, who actually need someone to actually write a blog post for them. Legit, I would say, not something that is AI generated, or to actually write articles for them or their product descriptions. A company can actually produce about 2 products that has already been in existence, but for them not to be seen as a copyrighted brand or a copyrighted company, what they need is a different description for their product that is actually different from the one that you see online or from the one that you have been seeing anywhere. So that is where they need their product descriptions from. Now, email sales, email marketing sales write-up, email, lead, they need people to write good original converting emails for them. Now, that is where this company actually comes in. You sign up as a writer, they connect you with these big brands. Now, for instance, these are the brands that they have actually worked with. They've worked with Yoast, they've worked with Staples, they've worked with eBay, they've worked with a lot of big brands. Now, the best part is anyone can sign up. You don't need a degree. You don't need fancy English. Just know how to put your ABC together, know how to put your 2 plus 2, know how to add up your language, and you need to also know how to write clearly. You can write in simple English, in simple, readable, understandable English. You'll be surprised that a lot of people are not even moved by sophisticated English. In fact, what they need is simple converting English. Thousands of registered authors and customers from around the globe execute more than 100,000 content orders through Textbroker every month. So this platform, you don't need to market, you don't need anything. They have people that needs your script. They have people that need what you're writing. They have more than 100 orders every month, more than 100,000 orders every month. So it is a platform with, real buyers. Our clients, including publicly traded corporations, small business owners, e-commerce websites, social media communities, and publishing houses, requires a broad variety of content. If you're just starting out or you're an experienced professional, Textbroker gives you access to thousands of writing opportunities for each topic. So choose when and how much content you want to write. There is no limit to how much you can earn on this particular website. Now, this is the big deal. How much we want to earn on this website? There is no limit. You can earn up to $100 or more just by writing on this website, depending on how well or how many scripts or articles or blog posts that you can write. So you will ask me, who is this website for? Now, this website is perfect for students who are looking to make extra money online. It is also perfect for stay-at-home parents or mom with free time who can actually write at their own pace. This website is also perfect for anyone that is unemployed or looking for a remote job, because you set your own pace. There is no force, there is no rush, and you choose your flexible hours depending on when and how you're free. Now, this website is also for side hustlers who want flexible gigs. Because it is fully remote, it is also for side hustlers who want flexible gig, because you can choose your own time, your date that you want to submit, choose any topic that you want to write. What more remote job can be better than this? Now, this website is also good for people in countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, India. As long as you can write in fluent English, you've got the shot. Because you're in Africa doesn't mean that you cannot write. So if you're in Africa and you're feeling limited, or you have this limited feeling that because you're an African you cannot write. We have a lot of great Africans that are from countries like Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, writing good and perfect articles and making money online without spending a dime. So you don't need to be a Shakespeare or a George Owen or someone that can just write like those big authors. All you have to do is just write like you talk. It is as simple as that. Now, how this platform actually works, because this is an earning platform, this is a platform that will help you make money. It has a way it actually works. The first thing you need to do is to go to textbroker.com/authors, because we want to work as authors on this platform, and register as an author for free. That is the first thing you need to do. The second thing is to submit a writing sample. This is like a test. Textbroker uses it to rate your writing from 2 to 5 stars. So they give you a test to do. All you have to do is to ensure that you have your grammar checkers in place. You have your plagiarism checkers as well in place. You can use plagiarism.com website. You can use Grammarly to check your errors and all those. These are free platforms that you can actually use to check your errors and check if the writing or if whatever you're writing is actually plagiarized. Then, if you have between 2 to 5 star rating on their platform, you get access to jobs. Based on your rating, you see the articles you can choose from. Pick topics that interest you. Please ensure that you don't go for the complicated topics because of the payment. Just pick topics that actually interest you and you know that you can write something meaningful on. The next point is just to write and get paid. You write the articles, submit it, and boom. Once it is accepted, you get paid straight into your account. Now you get paid into your account, then you transfer the money to your Payoneer account. This is why I said this website is worldwide. Yes, it accepts Payoneer. So if you're in Africa, don't bother about the payment method. The payment method is Payoneer. So once they accept you and you submit your work and it is accepted, you get paid. It works in different countries worldwide. Rating. I will give you a realistic breakdown of what their earning chart looks like and how you can calculate how much you earn on their website. Now, these are real numbers. You can earn as much as per word. Now, 2-star rating, 2-star writers, because their rating starts, if you're accepted, the rating starts from 2-star to 5-star. 2-star writers always get 0.007 cents per word. Listen, it is per word. Imagine you're writing a 1,000 word article. So you're getting 0.007 cents per word. Let's do a simple mathematics here. Assume we are writing an article of 5,000 words. 0.007 times 5,000. So that is $35 per article. And if you're in Africa or if you're in Nigeria, if you're earning $35 per article, writing an article of 5,000 words should take you a day. So it's multiplied by the current exchange rate. That's about 52k you're making here in Nigeria. So the next thing you need to know is, if you're making 52k per article, imagine how many articles you can write in a week. Now, if you're 3-star rating, you get 0.01 cents. Now 0.01 cents for a 3-star rating. Let's also imagine you're writing 5,000 words article. Now let's our calculator. Now 0.01 for a 3-star rating, you'll be getting 0.01 multiplied by 5,000 words article. So you'll be getting about $50 per article. Multiplied by the exchange rate, that's about 75k. Now if you're a 4-star rater or a 4-star writer, you'll be getting 0.014 cents per article multiplied by 5,000 words. That's about $70. Now if you are a 5-star rating, now the 5-star rating is the highest rating on the platform, you'll be making $0.05 multiplied by 5,000 words. So you'll be making about $250 per article if you are a 5-star rating. Now reaching this 5-star rating does not happen by magic. You have to work towards it, and it depends on the amount of articles that you can actually write. So you have to work towards it if you want to be a 5-star rating. So not following my calculation on this platform, let's say you are a 4-star writer and you write an article of about 1,000 words. That's about $14 for just one article. If you're able to do 5 of these articles in a week, you'll be making about $70. If you keep going like that, you'll be able to hit $300 in a month. And for top writers, some are making about $1,000 to $2,000 a month, earning from the same website that I am actually sharing with you. Now this is my own tip because I have worked on this platform, and to be honest, if you're starting out, you'll be nervous. So I thought writing wasn't good enough, but I know I'm good at writing, so I know I can write any article you throw at me. All I just need to do is to put my thoughts together, trying to join ABC, and I know what to write down. So if you know you're interested on this platform, just do what? Go for it. If at this point you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you find value, please do well to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to any stay-at-home mom or any student that you know either they are academically strong or they are good and they are looking for how to make money online, because this platform is legit, and once you apply, you always receive an email of whether they accept you or they don't. So you don't have to waste your time waiting whether they accept or not. So there are a lot of pros and cons to this particular website. Now this website is free to join. You don't need any experience. You can work from anywhere and anytime. They have their fast payout. Now if you are just starting out, you may not get the big jobs, but yes, you get jobs at a lower level rate, and you must be fluent in English. You must also be consistent. You must be able to send them works or send them articles from time to time. So now if this looks like something that has helped you, please do well to smash the like button, turn on the post notification, or share this video with someone who is interested in making money online. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.